I don't know how to pronounce the name of the sword. Rap ear. I just call it rap ear. And it sounds way too similar. Let's go mine. Oh, that was hard to attack this new weapon. Oh, that damage output is hella good. Basalt rock. Oh yes, basalt core. Basalt core. Let's see, I need a basalt core. I'll kill you. I don't make another sword, which is OP. This is my first actual good sword. Oh, got some good ores. So always go for basalt cores because they're a heavenly. They got very good loot. Yo, this mining section hella good. Boom, boom, boom. Titanium. Go for the core. So, what you gotta focus on is the cores because the cores have very good loot. Why am I? Yeah, that was easy. No cores yet. Here's a core. This is what a core looks like. Oh, amethyst and cobalt. No! I will not die today. Die, you monkey! No! Hey, cut! Oh, we got a new glowing thingy. Glowing ore thingy. Fire. Because you stole the rock that I wanted. Ow. So, no, you're gonna get murdered, bro. Idiot. Trying to mess with me. So yeah, the cobalt pickaxe mines very fast, as you can see right now where I'm doing right now. So it's very good pickaxe, starter pickaxe for mining basalt cores and the basalt shit. Break! No, you will die from Ripunga. That's what you get, idiot. So let's go on this side. Yeah, boom. Oh, another iron. I got an eye order. Yo, this is so good, bro. I just got my channel phone number verified. Now I can post long form vids over 20 minutes now. Or 15 minutes, over 20 minutes. No more 10-minute videos, guys. And more review, guys, which are my fans. You can see my vids. So you can see longer form vids on my channel now. No more part 2s, part 3s. All just in one singular vid. This is my best day ever. Two basalt. Iron. Cuperite. Sorry for not being so excited now, but Cuperite. Today's been a very lucky day for me. I just got this godly like sword, and I got this dragon thingy. Looks maybe like a Vecna. Man, I'm stupid. This doesn't look like a Vecna. Oh, emerald! No, you're not killing me today. Emerald! I got emerald, bro! Two more! Cuperite. Today's been a very lucky day. Look at this. Never mind this basalt. You will find like a close long form videos, bro. Cuperite, let's go. We took out Cuperite. Boom. Let's go Cuperite. No, another basalt core is just here. Boom. Oh, lapis. Today's been a very good day. I'm getting overpowered stuff in my day. Now let's go reset. Why am I not getting a counter? 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it just teleports us here. So like the reset button is like our teleport button to the home point, where we start. If you didn't know that. 2 arrows, 1 4 Cuperites. Sure, the 1 diamond. We'll trust that. Bonite? Okay, I want like this relevator. Start the forging session. Wait, can I stop the forging? I want to do some iron. Nah, we can just grind later. This is just pure work, bro. Oh, that thing looks beautiful. Wait, stop. Let's see. Please, master. Please, master. Excellent. 20%. Skilled hammer hand. 18 cobalts right here, bro. 18 cobalts right here. 3 topazes, 1 sapphire, 4 amethysts. Let's go. My cobalt got disintegrated! Come on! Why is it not moving? Now it's moving. Jerk it off, jerk it off. Yeah, I like to do gaming. YouTuber. I like to do gaming. Whoa. Oh my god, we just got a sight on our hands here, bro. No, I got it. Okay. Oh no! No! Jeez, I just got a sight! That's a beautiful sight. Good. 21 damage. Is that like the same? Okay, I'm just here crafting 7 titanium, 5 quartz, and 6 lapis lazulis, and boom. Oh. Titanium, 5 quartz, 6 lapis lazulis, and 4 the armor. Bye. I'm doing YouTube vid. I'm doing YouTube vid. Pump it up. Good, bro. No. Please don't be 20 defense. I'm worried that she'll make like something in this. Give me this like revolter. I can actually be in peace making vids, long vids, so you don't have to watch them in like parts. Just like pump that up. What? Extermination Squad. So. Addictive. This game is like addictive. And you mine and mine. So that's kind of addicting because you could get something so heavenly or something so trash. All my fellas. I'm not dying in the zone yet. I don't know how I'm not still dead in the zone yet. Stop! still here. Hello? My game's lagging! Whoa, why am I lagging? Why am I lagging that hard? Can I even like oh, wait, now. Two diamonds. Grit! Ah, no, I died. Yeah. I am Vecna, my guys. So, if you don't know how to reroll, I can show you. So, go to settings here in the top right. Wait, where is it again? Ah, yeah, no, not there. Go into your inventory and press shop. Go like scroll to the right, then you'll see here the race menu. Boom. This is where you can get your races. Yes. Yeah, so that's how you can get your like your races and all. Okay. So.
You guys.